Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can instantly create a dreamy video by applying this new CapCut effect to your videos. So first, just add your videos into CapCut and click on Effects, then select Video Effects. And now what you need to do is find the lens category. So in here, just scroll down until you find this blossoms mirror effect. Click on that effect. Okay, adjust it to your liking. I'm going to lower the glow and adjust the intensity. Here I'm going to increase the filter and also the atmosphere. Click on the check icon. Don't forget to adjust the length of the effect, and this will be the result. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.